Feel okay? Alright. What's going on, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're zipping around town. We have our Onyx RCR with crystal, 41 amp battery. And we got the Stealth Bomber here with me, also 40 amp battery. And we're going towards the Santa Fe Dam, catch the sunset, and then grab some dinner. Let's roll. We hardly zip around town with motorbikes. I think this might be the first time that we're both riding motorbikes here, side by side. If I'm not mistaken, we're doing about 20 to 30 miles today, depending on how Crystal feels. She gets cold easily. It's still really chilly at night after sundown, so yeah, depending on how she feels. It feels lower than the Onyx City too, right? Okay, good. So we both started at 84 volts. What's your voltage? 82.2? I'm at 83. All right. Fully charged. When the weather warms up, we hope we can take it all the way to the beach. Back and forth at slow speeds, probably like 10 to 15 miles per hour. Maybe we can make a 40-mile trip, maybe, hopefully. We'll see. All right, you want to max it? Go ahead and max it. I'm going to max it. Woo. 47 miles per hour. Oh, I gotcha. 55 miles per hour. Wow. There you have it. So I'm faster than the Onyx RCR. And I saw her speedometer blinking at 55 miles per hour. And I was only, on my speedometer, it was only like 47. So hers is a little off, I guess. But nonetheless, that was fun. And this setting is only up to like 55 miles per hour. I know it could go up to 70, but I'm not going to push it that fast. There's no reason for me going 70 miles per hour. Was that fun for you? This bike is faster. I didn't know that. I thought it was like going to be the same with the current settings. You could go ahead and lead, just make a left. Can't wait for summertime, guys. Maybe by the time you see this video, it's already summertime, and hopefully we have more electric motorbike adventures. I actually want Crystal to try this bike. She's never tried this Stealth Bomber bike. Might be a tad too tall for her, but I still want her to give it a go. So it's heavy, okay? The one thing you have to watch out for this bike is it's heavier than the Onyx. Feel how much more suspensions this has. And the one thing right now, it doesn't have any pedals, okay? Or chains. Or yeah, this is your twist throttle. Look how squishy it is though. That's a big bike for you. Alright, Crystal's test riding the new Stealth Bomber that we have. Huh?
You want me to go over there?
Anywhere you're comfortable with. Yeah, that Stealth Bomber looks so cool. What do you think? Squishy? So squishy. Much more squishier than this bike. I like that Stealth Bomber so much that I'm actually considering building a smaller version. I think that would be really nice. And yeah, she can take it off-road, like, unlike this bike. It's not really made for off-roading. You like it? Crystal's very quiet. I think she likes it. Every time she's quiet about something, that means she's evaluating how much she likes it. If there's something she doesn't like, she'll let you know right away. I don't like it. You look so cool on that bike. It's so big on you. But yeah, I want to make a smaller version, because that thing is like 19-inch wheels. I kind of want the same body, but maybe like 20x4 fat wheels. I'm really doing my research right now. Alibaba and Amazon. What do you like better between these two?
I like the seat.
You like the mountain bike seat more, huh?
Yeah.
The enduro type, yeah. And it's just more like agile, believe it or not. Like you could go off-roading with that. We can't really go off-roading with this Onyx. Okay, let's go on sand a little bit. Well, there you have it. Crystal said she likes the stealthbomber more. Of all the things she said, she likes the seat most. That was a big sunset. Okay, so next stop, Monrovia downtown. And then we're gonna order the food. Cool? You're back on that. It's smaller for you. You're more your size, but you like it, huh? So fun to see the sunset. We're gonna get more views once we're back on the bike path. Keep going. Go ahead. You know where to go, I think. It's just straight and then downhill and then make a right. It's like a mini version of a stealthbomber. Those are the ones that I'm really interested in building. I'm just evaluating all the costs with it. At this point, we are selling the Onyx City 2 because, again, with the addition of these motorbikes, we really don't need the City 2 anymore. You having fun? She's not giving me anything. I'm starting to dig those white wall tires now that Carlos put on that Onyx. Once these tires are all used up, I think I'm still gonna go with Moto Shinko tires. It just feels like you have more ground control. Alrighty, almost in Duarte. Just getting through the bike path. A little shortcut to like a Duarte City of Hope area. We've done about close to 9 miles and it's still holding at 80 volts for me. Okay, and we're in Duarte. Get to one of our favorite restaurants in Temple City's Golden Deli. Vietnamese food are really good, and they're closing in 30 minutes, so we actually might have to rush there a little bit. Time for some street riding. The restaurant looks like it's 6.5 miles from Duarte, so let's get it here. Gotta make a left on Myrtle, which is like 0.8 miles, okay? Let's ride with the cars. Still 3.9 miles away. Alright, Temple City Park. Here we go. Alright, Golden Deli is about to close. We're here just in the nick of time. U-turn. Alright, this is a spot we recommend. Definitely get Golden Deli. Try to get it to go if you can. Alright, we'll be right back. Got our food. Anything else? You want to get dessert anywhere? You're good? Okay, we're 9 miles away from home. Alright, and I'm at 79 volts. And we're going to ride a little fast here because we don't want our food to get cold. It says 18 minutes on a car. Hopefully we get there quicker. We'll see. Riding on the main roads now. I think we're in Almani now. Yep. Tyler, and then I think we'll be approaching Baldwin Park soon, and then West Covina, where we live. Hey, Shrimp House. I love this place, too. They have like good Tuesday specials there, I think. If I remember correctly. Alright, this place is fast. People drive crazy fast here. By the Speedway race area. Technically on street riding, I don't see myself really going over 45. So I'm A-okay with this bike. I'm not gonna push it. I'm not gonna tweak with the settings any further. I'm happy with it. Yeah, her bike says 50 miles per hour. My bike says 43 miles per hour. It's like a big difference. Yeah, so we've gone about 25 miles, and our batteries still are like 70%. That's pretty cool, right? I think we could go like Griffith Observatory. We'll just have to charge up there. That's gonna be today's quick vlog, folks. We're pretty much almost home. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on your e-bikes. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.